So I am back with another page of my video diary where I'm exploring joy, living in love, and practicing wellness. And of course, I have my ambience all set up here. We have the candles for scents, we have the nature being brought in, all the twinkle lights in the back, so that we have our huge hug set. Today is going to be super exciting because I am exploring joy with surprises. So I'm going to go ahead and move her out of the way so that I have space for what's to come. Now, I love subscription boxes just because you never know what you're going to get inside. So I have 2 boxes that I'm going to be sharing with you all, and I'll just get right on into it. So the first box, I think I have space now. First box is TheraBox, and this box is actually for November. So it is still, I don't know if it's current still, but this is the November box. The December box will be rolling out, but I've waited to be able to open this up to see what is inside. It's like Christmas, like every month it's like Christmas. So this is TheraBox. So let's go ahead and open to see what is inside. All right, so this is Lunar, and it says, "Hello, moon child. Live by the sun, love by the moon." All right. So it tells me to snap, tag, and I can win something. Oh, so you can win a free TheraBox if you follow these directions. So that is cool. So this is actually my first time ever getting a TheraBox. All right, and it tells you all of the things that are inside. So you have the Firming Toner, Rose Gold Hydro Glow Cream, Stardust Skies Good Body Butter, Rose Quartz Gua Sha. I think that's the way that I'm pronouncing it, or I know that I just pronounced it, but hopefully that is the correct way to pronounce it. There's a peel off mask, a flawless charcoal face scrub, and then you have an Australian sandalwood natural incense wooden pine holder set. Oh, I'm excited. So let's go ahead and open it up. See what is in here. Oh, Australian sandalwood natural incense. So this is literally the first time ever doing an unboxing on video. Okay, so let's see. Sandalwood. I love the smell of sandalwood. It's cute. It's real cute. You put it in here. There's a little stand. It reminds me just like a little piece of wood. A little piece of wood. And that stands up. Stands up like that. Yeah, like that. That is so cute. It smells good. I love woodsy, musky types of scents. So I'm going to put that back for later. All right, what else do we have? Stardust Skies Whip Body Butter. Oh, look at it. Looks just like whipped cream. Duh, Da-Shanda. This smells good. Oh, it's like literally just like whipped cream. It's body butter. So let me try that. Now there's bits of glitter in here. So I'm just wondering if you put the glitter aside maybe. But still, this body butter, oh, it feels good. Look at my hands. It is nice, moisturizing, and the thing is, it feels really good. It's not like a water based or anything like that. So this actually should have some really good carrier oils, or the base should be an oil just because of the luster. Look at that. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, that feels really good. So that's Stardust whipped body butter. Okay, let's see if I can. But it is cruelty free, vegan, and organic. Nice. All right, let's continue opening up. All right, this is the firming toner. So this is apply on cotton pads and wipe face, avoid eye area. So this is the Evolu E firming toner. So for the faces that are needing some firming, that will be great. So I will be in that party. So the next thing we have is the Rose Gold Hydro Glow Cream. All right, let me see if there's some more information. Okay, so it's a moisturizer, it's a primer, and it's a luminizer. Oh, it says everything you need for a dewy goddess glow. All the way from London. So this is the Rose Gold Hydro Glow Cream. Can't wait to use that. It has the hyaluronic acid, pearl powder, gold extract, rose extract. All right now. Okay, what else do we have? Oh my, do you see how big this box is? Flawless. This is the charcoal face scrub with activated bamboo charcoal. Let's see if there's any additional information about this. Kick your skincare game into overdrive with this very exciting news. Feels like a turbo deep cleanse for your face. This rich exfoliating blend of activated carbon charcoal or activated bamboo carbon charcoal and nourishing botanical extracts deeply cleanses and maintains your healthy glow. So this is Flawless from Minimo. Okay, so that is all the way sealed tight. So this is a scrub. You know what? I am going to, oh, I got it. I was about to say, I'm going to just, say that for another time. But as you can see, charcoal. This is the face scrub. Doesn't have much of a scent, and that's totally fine because the goodness is in the activated bamboo charcoal, right? So I'm excited about that. And this is a super huge size. Like, wow. Okay. So that is the Flawless charcoal scrub. What else do we have inside? Ooh, the Chloe Emerald Rose Quartz Gua Sha. I believe, I'm not going to say I believe that that's how it's supposed to be pronounced, but that's how I just pronounced it. So hopefully it's correct. On the Gua Sha, this is like the sister to the Jade Roller. Let's read about it. So looking to add a moon goddess moment into your nightly routine? Yes, I am. Meet Chloe Emerald's Rose Quartz Gua Sha. For the uninitiated, Gua Sha is an ancient Chinese healing practice that uses a curved and cooling stone to gently massage the face and body to break down tension by increasing the blood flow in facial body muscles. Let's see. If I can pop it out. There we go. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. So I have seen a few videos on how to use the Gua Sha, I believe. And this is just from memory. So I think you take it up here. So you're moving, I believe and I don't remember everything of how you're supposed to do it, but it's like it's allowing the lymphatic system to be able to drain. So that's why you go like out here all the way up. But there's tons of videos that are available to assist you with applying and using this Gua Sha correctly. This is beautiful. I'm going to be using this, and it feels very cool. I know the jade roller that I have, I put it in the freezer so that it gets really, really cool and cold, and it lasts a little bit longer. So I'm pretty sure that you can do the same thing with this. But so excited to be able to use this. Oh, it says this practice helps stimulate collagen production, promote lymphatic drainage, and helps with the and helps with the release of tension, toxins, and stagnant qi. That's why the Gua Sha is something really great to have. Okay, let's see what else we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's hologram deep cleansing. I think that is a peel off mask. Yes, hologram. I'm not sure which way my camera is recording this. If it's flipped, I do apologize. But this is Josh and Lynn peel off mask. So this season, get ready to peel and go, and with these sparkly peel off masks from Josh and Lynn, featuring ingredients that help exfoliate, brighten, and visibly smooth the skin. These cosmic peel off masks are an excellent addition to any pampering routine. So I mean, all of this stuff is like the best way to treat yourself. Like, this is self-care, self-love, like checklist. Like, check, I got my face stuff, and look, ooh, there's a notebook. Let's see. Number 8, yeah, manifesting challenge. This is a notebook. Okay, so it says believe, and then manifesting your dreams. So, oops. So believe, manifest your dreams. So it just goes on, ask, believe, receive. So it's like a notebook, maybe a journal. Oh, it's a manifestation guide. Okay, so I can turn this into a prayer journal so that I am actually going to my source and praying for the things that I need. But this is so nice as well. So this is your manifesting guide, or like for me, it'll be great for like a prayer journal, and where I will be able to put in the things that I'm praying for. So this is nice. Now, did I get everything? I think I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So in this Farrah box, see if I can put everything that came with it. I like to display stuff. That's just because I like to decorate. But let's see if everything, yeah. So you literally have 8 super full size, products. And again, so this is your November. This is November. Let's see if that one can come up here too. And that. I think I have everything. 8 like literally full-size products. Okay, so that is their box. Now I'm gonna put everything back in. Like I said, I have another one. So the their box is pretty much, it promotes self-care. All right, and self-love, taking time for yourself, pampering yourself. This box, I'll put some information in my description of this video to give you information on how to get the Their box on your own. Okay, so we're gonna pack this one all up so that we're ready to open up the last box. So like I said, this is November's box, and I do believe that even if the month has ended, that you still can purchase past boxes. Okay, so we're going to go with our next box, which is the cause box. Oh, this, and I do apologize if it is flipped reverse. Okay, I'm new. But this cause box, this is my second time getting this box. First box was just chock full of so much stuff. But this is the fall box, if I'm not mistaken, and the winter box is about to be released. So I'm pretty sure that you have time, if you're interested in cause box, to get the winter box. Okay. Oh. All right. So what do we have? Okay. Cause box. We're creating a greener, fairer, and kinder way to shop. Love that. And let's see, within their booklet, we have, in the box, we have a robe. Oh, this is the one where it's like either or. So you have a choice of bathrobe or a towel set. You have the choice of tea's tea, or which is a 3-in-1 tea and fruit tumbler, or a Milky Way lantern. So those are your choices, but then you will have another choice of the Love Scrub, or De-Stress Muscle Gel, or Rose Gold Crisscross Cuff. Okay. Then you have another choice of set of 10 reusable facial rounds, or a Basil Grow Kit. And then it says every box will have a bamboo surf set and brightening face serum. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm thinking that you'll get 6 items, 4 of which you may have a choice to select if you're an annual member. That's what it is. Annual members had the option to customize their box from the following group selections. The CauseBox team made selections for quarterly members. Okay, so this is my second box. I'm a quarterly member, and I just get what they send me, and it's a surprise. So I like that part. All right, so we're just going to get right into it and see what I've been selected to receive. All right, so let's see. So it's going to be, the waffle is going to be either the robe or a towel set. So let's see, which one did I get? Oh, it is the towel set. Look at that. A whole entire towel set. We have 2. Oh, this is big. This is really big. Very nice. And that is in, color is mint. Like a mint green. Let's see. Yes, so I have the waffle towel set, which is really soft, cozy. So it has 2 bath and 2 hand towels. So that's what I've received here. Very nice. All right, let's see, what else do I have? Okay, I have the serum, and this is face serum brightening. Let's see what info is going on with this one. Okay, so this is the one that will come with every box. So this doesn't matter if you're an annual member or a quarterly member, you'll get this. And this is the brightening face serum for a healthy dewy glow, fights free radicals and hydrates the skin, made with vitamins A and C. Okay, so that is nice. All right, so I had up next, ooh, look, it's basil. I can grow my own basil. Look at where? Ha, Buzzy Seeds. So it was either the choice of the reusable facial rounds or the Basil Grow Kit. And as I am just becoming and learning a lot about planting, I'm a new plant mom. So I have, and I took gardening class over the summer. So this is like a super plus for me to be able to grow my own basil. And it looks like everything. Oh, you have the seeds. Ooh, and it's little discs as well. Okay, so this is like super simple. Super simple. So I'm excited about that. And what else do we have? Oh, the volume. Ooh, so this was the choice. It was the Love Scrub, the secret to glowing, radiant skin exfoliation. Show your skin some love. And that is what I have. I have the Love Scrub, or the Aromatherapy Distress Muscle Gel, or the Rose Gold Crisscross Cuff. So I received the Volume, I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly, Love Scrub. So this is going to be so good. So it is a 3-in-1 hyaluronic acid, red tea, and seaweed microderm exfoliator. So this will be good for my skin. And of course, test it in small areas. Make sure that your skin is accepting of the exfoliator. All right, next up, it is the, oh, I got the Milky Way lantern. So it was the choice of the 3-in-1 tea and fruit tumbler, or the Milky Way lantern. And guess what? This is definitely the Huge Hugge vibe, right? A Milky Way lantern. Let's see. Lantern. Milky Way. Ooh. Oh, that is like beautiful. That is like perfect. And then you just put a little tea light inside. Yes. You just put a little tea light inside. Oh, I wish I had a little tea light to show you. I wonder if this worked. Yeah, that worked, didn't it? How cute is that? Oh, and I already had one on hand. That is so cute. That is definitely part of the Huge Hugge. So I got the lantern. Ooh, got the lantern. And what else? Bamboo. I got the bamboo surf set, and this actually came with every box. So whether you were an annual member or quarterly member, you receive your bamboo utensil set, which is good for prepping and serving. And let's see, you have the server here, your tongs, and also spatula. So that is all, and that's a whole lot of everything in this cause box, and I will put everything back, but I just wanted to share that with y'all. I just love the whole concept of these subscription boxes, because I mean, it puts a smile on your face, and then it gives you that sense of excitement. You don't know what you're gonna get, and it becomes all good. It's all useful things, and I will put all of the information as far as the cause box and the Thera box. Let me go ahead and get this big box out of the way. But I do want to thank you all for hanging out with me, exploring my joy with these subscription boxes. They were really, really good for me. And I do want to leave you with a huge hug. So, whichever hand we're going to cross. I was about to give you a breath. But I want to give you a big hug or leave you with a big hug. So you're going to, when you cross your hands around your belly, you're going to squeeze yourself with an inhale, and then you're going to exhale. Then you're going to come up, squeeze yourself around the chest, and exhale. And then you're going to come and give yourself the biggest squeeze around the shoulders, nuzzle the head in, and then you will receive your huge hug from me. So inhale, squeeze the belly. Exhale. Inhale, squeeze around the chest. Exhale. Last one, squeeze around the shoulders. And exhale, releasing the grip, but still giving yourself a little massage. Taking your time with yourself. Being very gentle with your touch and creating that connection that touch gives. So I hope that was just a way to spark some joy in your life with the surprises, and also to spark some things that you will be interested in getting on your own. So thank you so much, and I will see you all soon.